Omar loved his blue sweatshirt. His Aunt Hasna gave it to him when he was 10 years old, and Omar wore it everywhere. He wore it to school, he wore it to the park, he wore it to volleyball practice, he even wore it to bed. He and his favorite blue sweatshirt went everywhere together. He loved it. But as Omar grew, his blue sweatshirt got too small for him. One day, Omar couldn't find his favorite blue sweatshirt. He looked under the bed, he looked in his closet, he looked and looked, but he couldn't find it. Then, as he passed by his little sister's bedroom, Omar saw Kautar wearing it. Omar shouted, "Mom, Kautar is wearing my favorite blue sweatshirt." His mother rushed in. "Omar, I know you love your blue sweatshirt, but it's too small for you. It's time to hand it down to Kautar." Omar looked from his sister to his mother. "But it's my favorite." He ran back to his room and cried and cried. A little while later, Aunt Hasna came into Omar's room. She sat on his bed. Omar looked up at his aunt and said, "Did you hear about my favorite blue sweatshirt? Mom gave it to Kautar. It's not fair," he cried. Aunt Hasna said, "I know it's hard to give up things we love, but just like Saeed gave it to you, now it is time for you to give it to Kautar." Omar looked up. Saeed was his favorite cousin, Aunt Hasna's son. Omar looked surprised. Aunt Hasna said, "Your favorite blue sweatshirt was Saeed's favorite blue sweatshirt first. Now it's time for Kautar to love it." Omar smiled. He finally understood that his favorite blue sweatshirt was a hand-me-down. When Omar joined his family for dinner, Kautar was sitting at the table wearing the blue sweatshirt. Omar kissed Kautar on the head and sat down next to her. He was wearing a bright yellow sweatshirt. Then Omar made an announcement. "My new favorite color is yellow."